Oh, hello there. We're out here in the jungle today. We're out here in an apartment complex on the north side, chopping down some trees, baby. We're out here to fix a fence. About 2 years ago, a tree snapped in half and fell on this fence. We came out 2 years ago, put up some temporary panels around it. We're just now getting back to it. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna bury a couple of posts, rehook up the top rail, re-stretch the chain link. Right in front of me or behind you is a house that has a grizzly bear for a dog. And this way there's an apartment complex with little kids and stuff. So we're gonna try to make this secure for the childrens.
Nothing too hard for the fence boys.
Wait, you found the post hole?
Yeah, it's literally right here.
Is the post still in it?
Nope.
Hopefully not.
Right next to the stump.
Right smack dab.
We can dig it out.
Guys, Company Cam has an event coming up. Actually, it's 3 events. 3 one-day events, 3 different cities across the United States. They're calling it Blueprint, so this is an event for really contractors of any trades. It used to be kind of a roofing specific, but as we know, Company Cam is useful for a variety of trades, including fence. Just basically about implementing technology into your business, how to get traction with it, that sort of thing. Now, the most interesting thing is if we scroll down here to the keynote speaker, if you guys follow the channel, you recognize Sean Van Dyke. Great guy. We got 2.5 hours of his time to talk just all things contractors. I wish I had more. This guy, he's an incredible guy to listen to. I hope I have the chance to attend, to be able to be a student listening to him teach. For more information on the event, we've got a link in the description for you.
Okay, so right now we got the old post hole, but there's a bunch of concrete, so we're trying to get rid of that so we can set the new one. So we moved away from this hole because we just thought the concrete wasn't worth it, plus it was going to cause an issue with the stump. So we moved over a little bit. Hopefully it'll help. So we just have to go through this route now. Human? Oh, there you go. First try.
First try.
Okay, the post's now set. This is actually 5-foot wire. We were told it was 6. So Eric went back to go get some 5 foot. And in the meantime, we're gonna cut the post down, get it ready, add the loop cap, all that fun stuff. When Eric gets back, we'll be ready to finish up. Okay, top rail in. Now we have to wait for Eric to get back with the wire. Wire is here. Eric made it back.
I'm back.
Time to fabric up the fence. Do you make pizza? You just eat raw pepperoni.
No, I make a sandwich.
You make a sandwich?
Gotta get past the stump. We are cutting up around this log so that our chain link will lie flat along the top rail.
We're knuckling.
We're knuckling.
AKA butt knuckling.
Is it called butt knuckling? Is that the official term?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Butt knuckle the end of the chain link.
Butt
Butt
knuckle.
knuckling the chain link.
Now you know. The more you know.
Butt knuckle! Let me have it. No, let me have it. Very nice.
Good job, Eric.
Thanks, mate.
Eric's also become Australian now.
We're Australian today. Putting up this fence together. Around this here stump.
Honestly, your Aussie's not too terrible.
Thank you.
Okay, you're good.
Ready?
Yep.
Get rid of that smoke. Can't be smoking in the videos. Don't smoke, children. Ahem! We just finished up out here in the jungle.
Welcome to the jungle.
Let me start over. That's terrible. We just finished up out here. We got the one post put in the ground. We concreted it in, put the top rail back up, got the chain link back up there. You know, it's not a brand new fence. This section, of course, is brand new, but you know, we had a lot of obstacles to work with. We had several stumps to go around. We're reusing a few existing posts that were, I don't know, they weren't super in line, but basically we've had to Put one of the posts in the ground just a little bit out of line to get around the stump. But overall, I think it worked out good. It was a little extra work digging through the root of the stump, but we made it through finally and got the post in and got the rest of the chain link up. So it basically secures this part of the apartment complex from the vicious bear-like creature that roams the terrain over here. Thanks for tagging along.
Nothing's too hard for the fence boys.
You don't try to jump it, bro. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Good jump to stump work, hey. Look at him go!
Woo!
Skills, baby, skills.
Just like that. Escape the chupacabra.